kitchen has its little struggles. Sticky hands while turning on the faucet, guessing meat temperatures like it's a game, and mixers so bulky they need their own room. But what if your kitchen got an upgrade? Not just smart, but genius? Today on Invotechzone, we're bringing you 6 next-gen kitchen gadgets that don't just help. They transform the way you cook, clean, and organize. From touchless taps to compact power tools, this is innovation made for your home. So let's dive in. Welcome to Invotechzone, where smart meets everyday living. Number 1. Touchless kitchen faucet. You're in the middle of cooking, hands covered in dough, oil, or sauce. You reach for the faucet, but wait, do you really want to touch it? Now imagine this. You just wave your hand and water flows like magic. This touchless kitchen faucet comes with a built-in motion sensor, meaning no mess, no germs, just pure convenience. It's got a sleek matte black finish, a pull-down sprayer for full flexibility, and even a built-in soap dispenser. Because smart is the new clean. Whether you're meal prepping or cleaning up, this faucet brings a futuristic edge to your everyday kitchen. No hands, no hassle, just wave and go. Welcome to the kitchen of tomorrow. Number 2. Smart wireless meat thermometer. Friends, have you ever nailed a steak, then sliced it open and boom, raw or overcooked? This smart wireless meat thermometer ends the guessing. With 656 feet range and dual probes, it tracks your grill or oven from anywhere. The app gives real-time alerts, and the sleek bamboo holder keeps it pro. Rechargeable, stainless steel, chef-level precision. Meat has never been this smart. Number 3. Compact stand mixer. Ever tried baking with one hand on the bowl and the other on a tired old whisk? Yeah, not fun. That's where this compact stand mixer steps in. Small enough to fit your counter, powerful enough to mix like a beast. With 8 speeds, a 380-watt motor, and a tilt head design, it handles everything from fluffy cake batter to thick pizza dough, like a pro. It comes with a stainless steel bowl, egg whisk, dough hook, and flat beater. Everything you need in one smart package. Smoothies, milkshakes, cookies, or crust, just pour, mix, and relax. It's not just a mixer, it's your kitchen's new MVP. Baking just got a major upgrade. Number 4. Cabinet organizer. Friends, ever opened your kitchen cabinet and got hit by an avalanche of jars, pans, and chaos? Yeah, same. But this expandable pull-out cabinet organizer is the game changer your kitchen didn't know it needed. Made with carbon steel, it's rust-resistant, built to last, and the silent sliding drawers, smooth like butter. It expands from 12.6 to 20.6 inches, fits deep spaces with ease, and installs using nano-adhesive film or screws. Your choice. Perfect for your kitchen pantry or even under the sink. It turns mess into masterpiece. Slide, grab, done. That's how organized kitchens roll, because smart homes start with smart storage. Number 5. Silicone storage containers. Friends, have you ever prepped a fresh fruit bowl in the morning only to find it soggy by lunch? These UV-proof silicone containers fix that, keeping food fresh for 12 hours with an airtight seal that locks in flavor. They're reusable, come in vibrant colors, and stack perfectly in your fridge. No mess, no smells, just smart, colorful storage that actually works. Number 6. Onion slicer. Friends, have you seen those blooming fried onions at restaurants and thought, wish I could do that? Friends, now you can with this onion blossom maker. Just core, slice, and boom! Perfect petals, ready to fry or bake. It's durable, reusable, and seriously fun to use. Turn a plain onion into a party-starting snack. No skills, no stress. Order now for best deals. So friends, if you love these smart finds, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Invotechzone, your go-to spot for the coolest gadgets every week. See you!